Hello students. In this video we are going to start civics chapter number 6 rural administration. There are more than 6 lakh villages in India. Taking care of the needs for water, electricity, road connections is not a small task. In addition to this, land records have to be maintained and conflicts to need to be dealt with. A large machinery is in place to deal with all this. In this chapter, we will look at the work of two rural administrative officers in some detail. Let us look at the story called A Quarrel in the Village. Mohan is a farmer. His family owns a small agricultural field, which they have been farming for many years. Next to his field is Raghu's land, which is separated from his by a small boundary called a bund. One morning, Mohan noticed that Raghu had shifted the bund by a few feet. By doing so, he had managed to take over some of Mohan's land and increase the size of his own field. Mohan was angry but also a little frightened. Raghu's family owned many fields, and besides, his uncle was also the sarpanch of the village. I hope, students, you remember who is a sarpanch. He is head of the panchayat. But even so, he plucked up courage and went to Raghu's house. A heated argument followed. Raghu refused to accept that he had moved the bund. He called one of his helpers and they began shouting at Mohan and beating him up. The neighbors heard the commotion and rushed to the spot where Mohan was being beaten up. They took him away. He was badly hurt on his head and hand. He was given first aid by one of his neighbors. His friend, who also ran the village post office, suggested that they go to the local police station and file a report. Others were doubtful if this was a good idea because they felt they would waste a lot of money and nothing would come out of it. Some people said that Raghu's family would have already contacted the police station. After much discussion, it was decided that Mohan would go to the police station along with some of the neighbors who had seen the incident. Now, the area of the police station. On the way to the police station, one of the neighbors asked, "Why don't we spend some more money and go to the main police station in the town?" It is not a question of money. We can register the case only in this police station because our village comes in this area of work, explained Mohan. So, every police station has an area that comes under its control. All persons in that area can report cases or inform the police about any theft, accident, injury, fight, etc. It is the responsibility of police that police body of the police of that station to inquire, to investigate, and take action on the cases within its area. So basically, every police station is given a particular area. Now let us look at the work at the police station. When they reached the police station, Mohan went to the person in charge, Station House Officer or SHO, and told him what had happened. He also said that he wanted to give the complaint in writing. The SHO rudely brushed him aside, saying that he couldn't be bothered to waste his time writing down minor complaints and then investigating them. Mohan showed his injuries, but the SHO did not believe him. Mohan was puzzled and did not know what to do. He was not sure why his complaint was not being recorded. He went and called his neighbors into the office. They argued strongly that Mohan had been beaten up in front of them, and had they not rescued him, he would not have been injured very seriously. He would have been injured very seriously. They insisted that the case to be registered. Finally, the officer agreed. He asked Mohan to write down his complaint and also told the people that they would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident. Let us look at these questions that have been asked over here. If there is a theft in your house, which police station would you go to register your complaint? You would go to the police station which is nearest to your house, because your house comes should come under the area of a particular police station. Question number 2. What was the dispute between Mohan and Raghu? The main reason for the dispute was the land, mainly the boundary of the land which Raghu had taken taken from Mohan. Question number 3. Why was Mohan worried about picking a quarrel with Raghu? Because since Raghu belonged to a powerful family, Mohan was a little bit worried about picking a quarrel with him. Some people said Mohan should report the matter to police, and others said he should not. What were the arguments they gave? So the people said that Raghu would only waste his money and time, and nothing will come out of by going to the police station. So now let us look at the maintenance of land records. You saw that Mohan and Raghu were arguing heatedly whether the common boundary of the fields had been shifted. Isn't there a way by which they could have settled this dispute in a peaceful manner? Are there records that show who owns what land in village? Let us find out how this is done. Measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. The Patwari is known by different names in different states. In some villages, such officers are called Lekpal, in another Kanungo or Karamchari or village officer, etc. We will refer to this officer as Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. The Patwari maintains and updates the records of the village. The map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by Patwari. Now, the Patwari usually has ways of measuring agriculture fields. In some places, a long chain is used. In the above instance, or in the above story, the Patwari would have measured both Mohan and Raghu's fields and compared them with the measurements on the map. If they did not match, then it would be clear that the boundary of the fields has been changed. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about crops grown in this area. Now, this is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it's important for Patwari to regularly update the records. Farmers may change the crops grown on the fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. And keeping track of all these changes, like changing crop, a well being dug, keeping track of all this is the work of the revenue department of the government. Senior people in this department supervise the Patwari's work.